Welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to effortlessly delete specific parts of a video in CapCut PC. Let's dive right in with the video loaded into CapCut's timeline. First, zoom in on the timeline for a closer look by clicking on the zoom option located on the right-hand side. Now, position the playback cursor at the beginning of the section you wish to delete. Then, either click on the split button in the row of tools or use the shortcut Ctrl+B to split the video at that point. Next, determine where you want the deletion to end. Move the playback cursor to the spot and split the video again using the same method as before. You've now isolated the section you want to delete. Click on it to select, then press the delete button in the row of tools or use the delete key on your keyboard to remove it. And just like that, you've successfully removed a part of your video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was informative and helpful to you. Thank you for watching.